Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So I want to do a real quick video game tutorial, and today we're going to be revisiting GTA Vice City and testing out how does multiplayer work in 2021. So I figured, hey, let's revisit this old game considering that the GTA trilogy is coming out pretty soon. So I just had some, old school memories of playing this game. So I have the Steam version of this game, so I suspect that if you want to play multiplayer of the non-Steam version, it should also work as well. The one popular mod that I found online is Vice City Multiplayer, or VCMP for short. I'm sure there are other great multiplayer mods out there, but for today's video, we're going to be showcasing VCMP. So I have a link in the video description. You can download now. You got some great information about the mod itself. You can go to the features here. It talks about what it has. Also the wiki. You can also go to the forum as well and learn more about what they have to say. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and download it. Install it. Here's the installer that I already extracted out of the zip file. I already installed it, but basically it's pretty simple. Just tell it where you want to install the program and you're pretty much good to go. And then let's go ahead and run the shortcut for Vice City Multiplayer. And there's one trick that I learned for my Steam copy apparently is if you go to Tools, go to Settings, and then go ahead and give yourself a username. When you set your Steam directory, so I'm using the Steam version for example, instead of selecting the default, which is the GTA Vice City executable, whatever that is, if you're having issues running the game, then what I suggest is you change it to testapp.exe. That should be in your game directory, your Steam directory here, and then everything should work out fine. So now what you do is go to Internet, and then I'm going to sort by number of players, and all you can do is just right click, go to connect or add to your favorites, and your game will literally start. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the next portion of this video, which is some gameplay footage. Let's do this. All right, so let's do this. So once you start in whatever server you want to connect to, your game will automatically start, assuming there's no errors, like I showed you earlier. And then you just sort of wait, depending on which server you go to. You might have to download some map files or sound files or whatever. I sort of edited this video because it took a little bit long downloading the files. But anyways, on this particular server, it's asking me to log in. So I made an account previously and I'm going to go ahead and type in my password. Make sure you type in the right password, otherwise you can't log in, of course. And then this particular one, this particular server is running this red team versus blue team kind of thing. Select your model character. And then this particular one is like a death match, I guess, between the red team and the blue team. And this particular one, you can press P to change your weapon set and just have a lot of good times. I'm sort of sucking tonight, so I got killed. But that's okay, because I'm having a lot of fun playing this game that I haven't played in a long time. And it's cool that the community was able to reverse engineer and add multiplayer to a game that never had it in the first place. So anyways, that is today's video game tutorial, how to play Vice City multiplayer online in 2021. If you guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.